Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're diving into something built for thrill, power, and freedom on two wheels, the 1000W folding electric bike. Whether you're commuting through the city, cruising on the beach, or conquering snowy trails, this electric bike is designed to handle it all. And as always, you can buy it right now on Amazon. Link is at the top of the description. Let's talk power first. This beast features a 1000W high-speed brushless motor, delivering instant torque and acceleration. It can reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour, giving you that extra adrenaline rush when you need it. Perfect for commuting or adventure, the motor's smooth yet strong performance ensures stability even on uneven roads or steep climbs. The 48V 20Ah large-capacity removable lithium battery is a real game-changer, offering up to 80 miles of maximum range per charge depending on terrain and riding mode. It's detachable, so you can charge it anywhere at home, at work, or even in your RV while traveling. Long-distance commuters will love the extended range and the convenience of carrying a spare battery if needed. Now, the design: it's not just powerful, it's practical. The folding frame makes storage and transport incredibly easy. Fold it in seconds to fit inside your car trunk or apartment corner. The frame is made from durable aluminum alloy, keeping it lightweight yet strong enough to support adult riders comfortably. The 20-inch fat tires add another layer of versatility. They offer superior grip and shock absorption, making this e-bike ideal for multiple terrains: city streets, sand, gravel, or even snowy paths. With a front suspension fork and dual disc brakes, you get stability, control, and safe stopping power every time. A smart LCD display keeps you informed with speed, mileage, and battery data at a glance, while integrated headlights and tail lights ensure safety during night rides. The pedal assist and throttle modes let you customize your riding experience: go full electric or blend pedaling with motor power. Whether you're an urban commuter, outdoor explorer, or weekend rider, the 1000W folding electric bike delivers the perfect blend of performance, portability, and comfort. It's an all-terrain powerhouse that adapts to your lifestyle effortlessly. Grab yours now on Amazon and level up your ride today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more epic tech and gear reviews right here on Gadgetverse.